Hello people, it's Brett from Elliott Wave, and after the quite discreet success of the NASA video, today we're going to do the same thing with the S&P. So what we're going to do, as you can see, here we are on the monthly chart. We're going to take a look at, we're going to work our way through some counts, starting from the monthly. We'll see if we get data from 57 on the weekly. So we're just basically going to do a top-down analysis using Elliott Theory as usual here on the channel for the S&P. So it's going to be a long one, people. So grab your chips, your popcorns, whatever, pizza, watch it during dinner. I don't know, during lunch or at work. It's gonna take some time. So today, for reference, it's a Sunday, the 9th of March. So just so you guys know. So here, so technically, I did my homework on Google, and so the S&P 500, as we know it, was established in 1957. In 1923. What it was called the composite index had been launched on a small scale, quoting Britannica.com. So I guess I'm just gonna count it from 57 here, and let's see if we can get on the weekly from the 1957. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stick to the sorry to the monthly here. So I would say we can count let's just label, should we label it cycle or super cycle? Let's go with cycle. Okay, 1, 2 now. So division, let's say it is 1, 2, 3, sharp 4, up in 5. Primary. If they would make smaller waves here, smaller labels here on TradingView, that'd be nice. ABC, flat 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Actually, give me a second. So many times back in the days, wave 5 used to be extended. So this could easily be a leading diagonal here in wave 1. What is wrong with my mouse? Sorry. I guess this could work. 1, 2, 3, 4, sharp 2, sideways 4, up for 5. Okay, ABC. Oopsie. Okay, pairing up with wave 2. Okay, and we are back into the channel. That is interesting. Okay. Awesome. So let's also measure. I would say it's 1.618. Yeah, pretty close. 1.618. So it makes sense. If we want to use the right look, right? Let's zoom out. Sorry. It does look. So ignore everything before this. It does look nice, right? Awesome. So now, wave 5. So wave 5 seems to be extending. But you could argue, well, if Barrett wave... Sorry, I don't know why I'm coughing. Yeah, some water. Sorry, people. There's a good point here. What I'm going to say is, if either at this point, because I'm thinking, what if this is a 1 to some degree, right? But then I'm like, well, how do we count 5 in here, right? Looks more like 3. So it would be 1, 2, 3. I mean, I guess you would have to count it like this. Oh wait, let me use the arrows. 1, 2, 3. Either 4 and 5. Oh no, sorry. I meant 4 up in 5. And do we have weight kind of validation here? No, we don't. So either like that with also an extended fifth. So I just label it, you know what? We're here for it. Told you people this would have been a long one. But you guys seem to have enjoyed the NASDAQ video, so I figured, oh no, not the vertical line, sorry. I figured I'd make one on the S&P as well. I might do also, no, I already done the DAX. I might also do maybe Bitcoin all over. Might do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That would be extremely bullish. Wow. Think about it. This would be nuts. But possible. Okay. Let's zoom back in. Now, here, though, you could say, well, Barrett, sorry, people. I'm very sorry. Well, you could say, well, Barrett, but this wave 4 just so large compared to this wave 2. It doesn't fit the right look. You know what I'm going to answer? I'm going to answer, you have a point. Yeah, I don't like it. I'm not going to pursue it, but I'm just going to wanted to present it, I guess. So let's stick to this one. So let's count this move up here, right? Which is what we eventually care about the most. So wave 5. So we need 5 subways. Sorry, need some water. It could also turn out to be an anti-diagonal, right? So we always need to keep that in mind. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, but that can't be right. So what if? So I think I have several accounts. One of them said this basically. I just forgot. Awesome. Huh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. So this could be one way to look at it. Oh no, because wave 3 is the shortest. Wait a minute. Sorry. I messed up. So one way to look at it is, well, you know what? One way to look at it is to go on the weekly, that's for sure. Oh, that's much better. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 8, 3 down. I see 3 down here. That's 3. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, this looks like a flat. I'm gonna tell you why. Look. Sorry. 3 down. 1, 2. AB. So this is AB. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C. Of 2. Okay. So it might not be clear, so I probably just wasted your time. Sorry. Let me just label it. This will be intermediate. Orange. Okay. A, B, C. A, B, C here. Sorry. A, B, C. And allow me not to just write it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. Okay, for C. Perfect. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 could have been a way 3 and 4. So I guess one way to look at it is this, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, well. Oh, Jesus. Now I need to move everything 1 degree lower. That always pisses me off. Wait a second though. Okay, perfect. So let's move everything 1 degree lower, and let's try not to swear while we do it. While I do it. Sorry people for wasting your time. Okay, so one way to look at it, I think it was in one of my accounts, is this. So what is good and what is bad about this count? Well, what I like it is these are the 2 largest corrections. Okay, that is a fact. So they could be of the same degree, right? Perfect. Sorry, some water. Here we can identify a 5-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's also very nice. Flat, sideways, sharp, very nice. Alternation, so a lot of very nice things and a lot of evidence we want to see in our Elliott wave count. That's very nice. Upside. Now, wave 3 shorter than 1. What does it mean, people? It means that wave 5 must be shorter than 3, right? Because wave 3 can be the shortest. What have I just done? So that means that $707,000 is our ultimate target. So if we go above that, this count is validated. Now, I will agree on one thing. If this count is correct and we top here for good, we need to retrace all the way down back from 57. I don't know if you people realize what that means. It means that we're going most likely back here. Okay? I don't know if people are prepared for that. We could also just stop here at 2,500-ish. Okay? That's possible. COVID lows. It would also actually kind of make sense too, but that would be massive. Okay? This is panic. This could be something really bad. Okay? Hopefully on the financial side, no wars and stuff. Even though usually during war times, the market just has an initial crash, but then it just does well. I talked about it when Russia invaded Ukraine back in 2022. The market crashed like 10%, 15%. It dropped, and then it continued higher. You can see the same for World War I and World War II. Which is kind of crazy to think about, right? So that's one way to look at it. And we're going to invest. Oh, should we do it now? Well, before we do it, another way to look at it is, okay, what if this is wave 1, primary 1 of 5? So this is intermediate, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, intermediate, primary 1 down into upside for wave 5, okay? So we basically just postpone our, doomsday. You know what I'm saying? It's also possible, maybe a bit less realistic considering wave 3 is also extended, right? But it's possible. What else? Well, I guess another scenario would be I'm completely wrong, which is also possible. And if I'm wrong on this, what could it be? Well, what if it's a 1-2-1-2? Now, as some of you may know, I'm a big fan of 1-2s. But I would be pretty bullish. So this is kind of a more conservative count, which we're going to hide. The 1-2-1-2 is basically this. 1, 2. Okay. Not too crazy. Okay. But possible. What do you guys think? So here the subdivision for wave 1 would be the same. Okay. Let's just do it for just completeness. Okay. There we go. Perfect. So this is also possible, right? Not much more to say. We can focus on this now, which. So I think we're not gonna be that long, I guess. So let's go on the day. So we are going to focus on this, considering, well, probably both counts, okay? So, and on this count, then we're looking for intermediate wave 3. Now, intermediate wave 3, let's look where equality stands. NS should be 7,700, okay? Perfect. So, we could be looking at one, two, maybe something like this, okay? 1, 2, 3. Now, you guys know me. I like to label this as 4. I got criticized a lot for that, for this ugly 4, but I can't help it. Sorry, I'm a fan of flats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Oh god, it could be an any diagonal. Yeah, I think I labeled it as a diagonal on my OG count. There you go. Perfect. Okay, and this similar to the Nasdaq ABC, and to be honest, we could have a bottom in place soon, if not already in. But I mean, when I look at some major stocks such as Google, Amazon, Meta, I see a pullback imminent, but then I see further downside possible. So, you know what? Just stay tuned for the top 7 stocks in the Nasdaq update here on the channel. But I guess this is possible, and I think it is possible. I think it's gonna be my preferred count. We'll see how it plays out. And on the, so this can go in here if I'm able to just select them all. Okay. On the other, so where it's a wave 5, it's just a matter of degree. I would expect the same count, right? Just different degrees. There you go. Same subdivision for wave 3. Yeah, I don't really see much more different. I mean, that probably wasn't even English. I don't really see any other really realistic scenario short term as of right now. Just obviously, the more the days go by, the more data I have, the more I can think about solutions. And here obviously I don't count the waves, but I've done it. I have accounts here for older accounts, right? So rest assured, as always, I mean, I should say more often. Also here, the correction, I think I labeled it originally as a XXY or just an ABC here, ABC. So I also many times I see waves, so that make me do some labels. I see the subways, I just don't label them, both for shorten the video and just for because I'm lazy. But I do see them. I'm just no worries. All right, people. I think that's gonna be it. Let's draw the trend channel. Yep, very close. What else? Should we measure equality of 4 against 2? Right here. So 5,660. Very close. So let's see. I would expect tomorrow, so Monday, which, oh, actually, this video is going to be posted, uploaded on Monday. So, yeah, so today, hello me from the future. Yeah, we should, I expect upside. That being said, thank you for watching, people. Any questions, let me know down in the comments. You can always join the Discord, just beware scammers, as I always say. And if you enjoy the content, I will highly appreciate if you guys subscribe, leave a like so you can stay updated. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.